Hey!
Hi!
It's Mel and Steve.
Again? How are you?
And yeah, I'm fine, except that we are overwhelmed.
Yeah, kind of exhausted.
Long week. Lots of things going on.
Got a kid, got a job, got a relationship.
So what did we not do?
We didn't finish our prototype.
Sorry.
And I know we're moving. Now we're moving in. We're just gonna go right into the build phase.
Build that thing because we just don't have the time to prototype because lives. Yeah. How you feeling?
A little disappointed, but I feel better that we're at least acknowledging it, and we just wanted to let you all know that we haven't forgotten about you.
Yeah.
You believe me.
So you're
on our minds.
We may not be the A students that you wish that we are, but we are a pretty solid C.
A pretty solid C. And we will catch up over the weekend.
Yeah, we will.
Yep.
Of course, my friend Jamie is visiting, so
yeah,
there's a lot going on this weekend too.
It'll be. I didn't say which weekend.
Okay. So we'll
catch up over the weekend.
Okay.